Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fidelity app. First, download the Fidelity Investments app from your mobile device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and securely log in using your existing Fidelity username and password. For even quicker access, consider setting up biometric authentication, like fingerprint or Face ID, which allows you to access your accounts in just a few seconds. Once logged in, the home screen provides a clear overview of all your Fidelity accounts, including brokerage, retirement, and cash management. You can quickly see your total portfolio value and daily performance. To dive deeper, simply tap on any specific account. This action will reveal detailed information about your holdings, individual security performance, and recent transactions, giving you a comprehensive view of your investments in just a few taps. The Fidelity app makes managing your money straightforward. To place a trade, navigate to the trade section where you can buy or sell stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. You can also easily transfer money between your Fidelity accounts or to and from external bank accounts. For long-term growth, consider setting up recurring investments, allowing you to automate contributions to your chosen funds on a regular schedule, like weekly or monthly. Finally, the Fidelity app offers robust settings and support options. You can customize your notification preferences to receive alerts about account activity, trade confirmations, or market updates. Access all your important documents, such as statements and tax forms, directly within the app. Should you need assistance, the app provides direct access to customer support, including chat and phone options, ensuring help is always just a few clicks away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.